Hey dudes, welcome back to RC Cars UK. Paddy with you here again. Now I'm just out testing how much side roll these tyres actually have. They're pretty awful, to be honest with you, for anything other than a little bit of trailing. I mean, look at that edge roll on there. I'll show you in the front. I mean, and that's just on light pressure, and then you'll see they actually stay like that with that squatted stance, which is pretty awful for turning and handling. You see the tyre relaxes there. I mean, they look okay. These are FTX Mauler wheels, cheap as chips, as I'm sure you know. But I'm just going to give it a quick test now, just to show you how that actually affects you when I'm going at speed, especially on the trails. I could do with something a lot thicker, really. Smaller diameter and thicker sidewalls. These sidewalls are way too thin. The tread's all up the top of them as well, so it makes them very rolly, flippity floppity sort of thing going on. But I'll just do a quick test now, and we'll come back and discuss afterwards. Right guys, so as you can see there in that little test, you can see that the edges were rolling like crazy. Now if you want to leave any suggestions about tyres that I should have a look at, I'm not on a massive budget, cost not that much of an issue, but there's no point chucking Vanquish rims or anything on a cheap rig like this. I just want something with as little edge roll as possible, really. Nothing as ridiculous as that. So yeah, thanks very much for watching guys, and drop your suggestions below in the comments. Thanks very much.